only 3,436 miles in 37 years, and this 1989 Corvette still looks like it just rolled out of the showroom. Wait until you see the rare factory hardtop and luggage rack. Imagine opening a garage door and discovering a sports car that has barely touched the road for nearly 4 decades, not a restoration, not a replica, not a modified survivor, but a genuine 1989 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible showing just 3,436 original miles from new. This isn't simply a Corvette, it's a rolling time capsule from one of America's most exciting automotive eras. A machine that captures the bold styling, innovative technology, and unmistakable V8 power that made the Corvette an icon around the world. Finished in stunning dark red metallic, this Corvette immediately commands attention. The deep metallic paint glows under sunlight, creating reflections that flow across the sculpted bodywork like liquid glass. Every angle reminds you that the C4 Corvette was designed to look futuristic. Even today, the sleek wedge-shaped profile, long hood, and aggressive stance appear remarkably modern. But what truly separates this Corvette from countless others is its incredible originality and rare factory equipment. As your eyes move toward the rear, you'll notice something unusual: a rare factory luggage rack. An option rarely seen and highly sought after by collectors today. It adds a distinctive touch to the car's appearance, while reminding us that Corvette engineers envisioned this convertible as more than just a weekend toy. It was designed to be a true grand touring machine, capable of crossing states in comfort and style. And then comes another rare feature: the factory removable hardtop. This option transformed the Corvette into 2 cars in one. With the hardtop installed, it offered a coupe-like driving experience with enhanced weather protection and a more refined touring feel. Remove it, and the Corvette instantly becomes an open-air American sports car, ready to enjoy every mile beneath blue skies. It's exactly the kind of rare factory option collectors search years to find. Beneath the hood lies the heart of this American legend, the famous 5.7-liter tuned-port injection V8, known simply as the TPI V8 among enthusiasts. This engine became one of Chevrolet's most recognizable power plants of the 1980s. The moment it fires to life, you're greeted by a deep, unmistakable V8 rumble, not overly loud, not aggressive for the sake of being aggressive, just pure American muscle with a refined edge, producing strong low-end torque. The TPI engine delivers effortless acceleration and smooth cruising power. Whether you're pulling away from a stoplight or gliding down a long highway, the Corvette responds with confidence and authority. Power is routed through Chevrolet's trusted 700R4 4-speed automatic transmission. A transmission known for durability, smooth shifts, and excellent highway manners. Combined with the 2.73 rear axle ratio, this Corvette was built to devour long stretches of road while keeping engine speeds relaxed and comfortable. This is the kind of sports car that encourages road trips. The kind of car that makes every journey feel like an event. Helping deliver that experience are the Corvette's power steering and power disc brakes, creating a driving experience that feels both responsive and reassuring. The C4 platform was revolutionary for its time, offering impressive handling capabilities while maintaining everyday comfort. Even decades later, the engineering remains impressive, but perhaps the most breathtaking part of this Corvette is opening the door. Inside, you're welcomed by a beautifully preserved saddle leather interior. The rich saddle color creates a stunning contrast against the dark red metallic exterior. It's a color combination that feels sophisticated, upscale, and timeless. The leather bucket seats invite you into a cockpit designed around the driver. Everything is positioned with purpose. Everything feels connected. Everything reminds you that this was America's flagship sports car. The cabin is loaded with desirable features, including power windows, power mirrors, and air conditioning, ensuring comfort no matter where the journey leads. At the center sits the console-mounted shifter, ready to channel the power of the TPI V8 to the rear wheels. And for those nostalgic moments, this Corvette even features a Kenwood AM/FM cassette player, a perfect reminder of the era this incredible machine comes from. An era of cassette tapes, neon lights, and some of the most memorable automotive designs ever created. Looking around the interior, it's almost impossible to believe this car has existed for over 3 decades. The low mileage is evident everywhere. The condition reflects a vehicle that has been preserved rather than merely used. Every detail tells the same story, a story of careful ownership, a story of preservation, a story of automotive history frozen in time. Outside, the factory chrome 17-inch wheels provide the perfect finishing touch. They sparkle against the dark red paint and emphasize the Corvette's muscular stance. Together with the luggage rack and removable hardtop, they create a specification rarely seen today. This isn't just another C4 Corvette, it's a collector-grade example, a survivor, a conversation piece. And perhaps one of the closest experiences you'll find to stepping back into a Chevrolet showroom in 1989. What's even more remarkable is the value. With an asking price of $18,995, this Corvette offers an extraordinary opportunity to own a low-mileage American sports car icon, a vehicle with rarity, a vehicle with history, a vehicle with undeniable presence. As appreciation for clean C4 Corvettes continues to grow, examples like this become increasingly difficult to find, especially those with ultra-low mileage and desirable factory options. The 1989 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible represents more than transportation. It represents an era, a moment when American performance embraced technology, luxury, and style in a way that still resonates today. And with only 3,436 miles from new, this dark red metallic Corvette remains one of the closest things to a brand new 1989 Corvette that you can experience in the modern world, a true time capsule. A true collector's dream, and without question, one of the most fascinating C4 Corvettes you'll ever see.